Welcome to Braven Tutorials, where we delve into the captivating realm of AI-driven creativity with Deep Dream Generator. Here are 3 key features. Create images by writing. Let your imagination run wild as you craft vivid images simply by describing them in words. Deep Dream Generator brings your visual stories to life using the power of AI. Customizable parameters. Explore the depths of creativity by adjusting settings like layer selection and dream strength. Tailor the AI-generated effects to suit your unique vision and unlock endless possibilities. Community creations. Join a vibrant community of artists on Deep Dream Generator's platform. Discover inspiring works, share insights, and find inspiration for your next masterpiece. Join us at Braven Tutorials as we navigate this world of collective creativity.